In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number in Robinhood. Whether you've changed your number recently or need to update it for security reasons, keeping this information current on your Robinhood account is crucial. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you can do it confidently and seamlessly. Let's get started by navigating to the Robinhood website. Open your preferred web browser and type in robinhood.com. This is where we'll begin our process. Once the home page loads, you might notice various options and links, but don't get distracted. What we're specifically looking for is the Login section, so let's click on that. After clicking Login, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password carefully to ensure you gain access to your account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Robinhood homepage. From here, look to the top right corner where you'll see an icon or possibly your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that to access your profile. Now that you're in your profile, the next natural step is to find the Settings option. Scroll a bit if needed. It's usually all the way at the bottom or attached to your profile menu drop-down. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a new page with various options relating to your account. Once in the Settings area, locate and click on Personal Information. This section houses details like your address, phone number, and other key data. It's crucial to keep this information up to date for the security and functionality of your account. We are now at the stage where you can specifically manage your phone number. So, in the Personal Information section, find the option saying Phone Number. Click on it. This click will bring up the existing number linked to your Robinhood account. And now you should see an edit option. You can now enter your new phone number. Type it correctly to avoid any mishaps, as they'll likely use this number to send verification codes for securing your account. Double-check everything you've entered, and when you're sure, proceed to confirm the change. You might receive a text message or a verification code to the new number to ensure it's valid. So keep your phone handy. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough of how to update your phone number on Robinhood. Keeping this information updated not only protects your account, but also ensures you receive critical notifications without delay. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support team is always there to assist you. Happy trading!